Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the persistent systems interview experience. So one of the student he shared his experience. Okay, so I already created 9 videos. The students from the 2021 batch, they shared their experience. Okay, so you can just go through all the previous videos. So now I'll go for this one. The one of the student, okay, he shared his experience. I will read the questions. So as you know, the first question is about tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. This is the first question. And next, the student, he got a question: what is RDBMS? What is relational database management system? Okay, RDBMS. And then the difference between database management system and RDBMS. Okay, RDBMS, relational database. Okay, so you should know what is the difference. Okay, go through the database management concepts. Then uh, the next question is on the difference between unique key and primary key. Unique key and primary key. Unique key and primary key. So they ask the difference between the unique key and primary key. So try to prepare for this. Okay, so what is the unique key and what is primary key? Then the next question was write a query. Okay, write a query for finding write a query for finding the second last number in table. Okay, so you may get such a questions, means to write a query also. Okay, write a query to find the second largest number. Okay, so you should be able to write a query. So in the as previous students, most of them, they shared a experience like they asked to write a program. Okay, so for this student, the interview asked to write a query. So one more question is write a query for deleting the deleting the duplicate duplicate row on a table. Okay, deleting the duplicate row on a table. Okay, so you should be able to answer such questions. Okay, deleting the duplicate row, okay, in a table. The next question is to write a C program. Write a C program. Okay, write a C program for reverse the number. Okay, reverse the number without recursion. Okay, so here they specifically they are asked about write a C program. Okay, or you can use any, suppose if they are not mentioned, then you can use your language, Python language, C++, any language. Okay, then the interviewer asked about difference between array and pointer. Difference between the array and pointer. Then asked in detail about pointers in C. pointer in C programming language. Okay, pointer in the C programming language. Okay, then what are the advantage? Okay, the pointer advantage over the array. Pointer advantage over the array. Pointer advantage over the array. Then what is memory leak? Okay, what is memory leak? Okay, then call by value and what is the difference between call by value and call by reference? Call by reference. Okay, call by value and call by reference. So you should be able to like explain with concepts. Then difference between C programming language and C++. Okay, you need to tell the difference. Then what are the OOPS concepts? What are the OOPS concepts? Okay, all OOPS concept like abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance and all you need to explain with example. Okay, explain with the example, right? Then how you will find the some questions like how you will find the position of a mouse, the position of mouse in C. Okay, position of a mouse in C programming. Okay, then the next question. Okay, so these are the, because this guy has shared the questions in detail. If I compare with the other students, this guy has shared the his what type of questions asked in detail. Then what is a Hughes pointer in C, Hughes pointer in C. Then okay, then they asked one question like, suppose you have one candle, some aptitude question. Okay, you have one candle that can burn in 1 hour. Okay, then find how will you know 30 minutes are up. Okay, some puzzle questions. Okay, then there are 10 men handshake each other. 10 men handshake each other. 10 men handshake each other. So how many handshake? Okay, some such a permutation combination questions also they ask. Then some other questions like why persistent? Okay, why persistent? Then where you see in next 5 years, where you see in next 5 years. Okay, then why should I hire you? Okay, why should I hire you? Give me 5 reasons. Okay, give me 5 reasons. Okay, so this is a very interesting question, huh? So you are supposed to prepare for such questions. Okay, so you should be able to answer what are the qualities, what are the 5 qualities that you have compared to others. Okay, then if you are in testing phase, okay, if you are in a testing phase in WhatsApp, okay, then what will you check, what will you check that that is a critical to fight, that is a critical to fight. Okay, so these are the questions, as this guy has shared the questions like in detail. Okay, so as we can see, some general questions, and also like why the persistent company, why you want to join, and some puzzles questions, then some of the concepts, oops concepts, then database concept, dbms concepts, okay, data structure concepts, and to write a program, okay, and also the projects. Okay, so these are the some okay, lastly the project. Okay, I forgot to mention about the academic project. Okay, so guys, these are very important concepts, so you try to go with Geeks for Geeks and prepare for the interview. Okay, so suppose if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat box, so that I will try to ask the candidate, those who are working in the persistent, and if you want any guidance, okay, you can just put it in the chat box. Okay, thank you.